5. Mama, when are we gonna get 100? When are we gonna get the subscriber play button?
Subscriber play button?
Yeah.
I don't know. It looks far away. We only got 50 subscribers.
50.
Oh,
What if we got 1,000?
1,000? We won't get that either.
1,000,000.
11,000?
1,011,000. 5,000.
1 million. Then we will get that gold button.
Then I stack to 0 and go up to 100,000, 5,600, 7,000,000, 1,000,000,000, and 5,000,000,000 subscribers. Then I'm gonna be the golden play button. Golden play button. And fill up the house with all the golden play button.
Nice.
Then my house is even from the outside golden, 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 golden.
Oh, so you want golden, golden, golden.
I want golden house.
Nice.
And even the floor golden. I'm gonna pick those things
What
golden
things? Oh, wow.
with a paint. But
With the paint?
yes, then I'm gonna with the roof I'm gonna put golden play buttons and fill up the roof even wrong.
That's a good spirit.
But how I'm gonna get those?
That's a good question.
How do I go stick them all over the roof? Tape will
Maybe
not
with
work.
the ladder.
No, but how am I gonna stick them?
You think nails would work?
A rain is gonna come to the golden play button and smash that golden play button.
Oh.
If the golden play button crashes, then there's gonna be a hole and fill up our house with water.
Oh, okay. So nails won't work. How about two-sided tape?
No.
Why not?
How about 100 tips?
100 tapes. So you think we're gonna get 100 golden play buttons? But then again, how we're gonna get it, right?
Tell me first, what is 1 plus 200?
1 plus 200. You don't know that? It's 201.
That's easy.